connect the bingo. I'm back. I'm back it again. I need 175. Yeah, you can send them both. You send them both. I need 175.
What a notebook set. Oh. The new bingo book. What the small ones? Oh, this about a good size. I don't need no small. So, bingo book. Oh, shit.
Yep, I need 175. Hey, that girl. I need 175.
You want me to get a cute book like this and shit. Oh, cute.
I need 175.
I know. I got the same problem I got right there.
Yeah. I get out. I get out when I'm sitting. I'm tired. I'm sitting for big. I'm tired day night. Yeah, I'm speaking Spanish.
Yeah, you speaking Spanish. Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
I'm trying to damn day. Big old, yeah, but I was speaking another language. Don't worry, the big was still on my list though. So easy.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, she did it. Okay, tattoo. Okay, we got a tattoo. She just accepted. Thanks. Come back. Okay, thanks for the $5 tattoo. I'm gonna try.
Oh, you heard I got food cooking.
You tell me for word and daily job. What you think I'm doing? Working. Are you working? Tell me I work 12 hours a day. Working. What you doing? What you doing?
Buffalo hot Cheetos.
I need 170.
Buffalo. I don't try no Buffalo hot Cheetos.
Oh, hello.
Hello. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm excellent. How about you?
Living.
Hey, Della.
Right, that's all we can try to do right now. Oh, let me out.
Hey, Della. I'm working out. Della. I need 170. Don't you get tired of putting job in the comments? I know you get tired. Sound like a burger record. Don't you get tired? I'm gonna tell you the same thing. I got a job begging on the internet. Don't you get tired of saying the same shit over and over again? Huh? Well, you like it, I love it. I'm gonna keep telling you, I got a job begging. Yep.
Look, right on time.
Tired of being bullied? Tired of being bullied? I don't get tired of reading.
Got a new notebook for Big Della. You playing bingo tonight? Mika, we playing bingo tonight, Mika.
Yeah, big. I told her thing. Yeah, bigger thing, bigger. No, I don't get tired of begging because I'm working. It's a job. Do you get tired of telling me to do my life? And for the rest of my life, you get tired of
Well, just gonna say that, like, y'all, if her friends get tired of telling her she need to get her a damn job, y'all should be tired too. Y'all wasting y'all breath telling Maggie this shit all the fucking time. This girl finna do what the fuck she want. Every blue moon, we tell her about her needing a job, and then we leave her alone because she ain't gonna do nothing but get mad, scream, throw them hands up, and say that is her job.
Maybe go harder, dummy. I need 170. Talking broken ass record, like I give it down. This is my job, honey. A job, what the hell you making, honey? Boo boo. It's my job, Becky. Hey, Biggie, you question me? I need 170. Job, what you make? They don't want to talk shit. I'm probably Social Security, unearned income. You're just slow as a motherfucker. But y'all don't realize Social Security don't give it that motherfucking begging. Cause I already told them that already before. Dummies. It doesn't know one thing. Begging is not a crime in my city or nowhere else but California. Dumbos. I'm not asking you who talk shit. Cause I don't want to hear your mouth talking shit. That's why. You gonna sit in the what? You gonna sit get at that? I need $170. You wanna talk shit? You better sit in and talk shit on this loud. Della. I need $170. Now you wanna talk shit, Della? We'll sit in. I need $170. Poo. Well, they asked for Sparkle. I asked everybody else. There you ain't talking about that job shit. I got a job already. Okay, we gonna see it. Let me see. Better come and talking shit. Cause we're gonna ask your ass too. Better come and talking shit, Della. I'm gonna ask your ass too, Della. I'm gonna ask your ass too.
What's up, Maggie?
Jesus is the reason.
Maggie,
Oh,
did you talk to
yeah.
Treat, Maggie?
Hey Maggie.
I can't imagine what
Della,
you
hey, Mick and Della.
Hey Maggie.
say.
Hey,
That chicken look good.
Girl, Della, don't play with me. Fuck Maggie. You mine first.
I almost just called you something. I had to catch myself. What you said, Maggie?
She said, you gonna sit in?
Maggie, you not my friend. Huh, Maggie, you not my friend.
She said something, Della. You can't hear because the wind. Roll your window up real quick, Della.
That's not me.
Who talking?
Oh, Mika, roll your window up for me.
Let me mute my.
Who just asked? Who just asked your friend? Who just asked that?
Girl, Della.
For what?
Huh?
You heard
Maggie,
Della.
I asked you, is you my friend?
Who talking?
Girl, you know that's Della. You know his name me or Mika.
Well, me.
You know me and Mika boys.
Who said that? Mika?
Girl,
No,
I'm finna
that's me, Maggie. We playing bingo tonight, Maggie?
Yup. Can you send too? I'm everybody's friend.
Can I send what?
I'm everybody's friend.
Y'all send Maggie some money. She trying to play bingo tonight.
Della.
I'm hard.
Maggie said if I don't send her $20, she gonna tell people my real name.
I'm
Oh,
I'm on my own now. Bigger done for the night.
I told them if they pay attention, you always say my real name in here. Thank you so much.
Maggie, why you being like that?
What y'all at now? What's in the middle?
Maggie, why you
What's
being
in the
like
middle?
that?
What y'all at now?
Why would you tell them people
Oh,
her real
okay.
name?
Huh?
Why you want to tell these people her real
Oh,
name?
okay. Della, you be saying it all the time. They don't be paying no
Girl,
attention.
I know that's what I just said. I had to catch myself.
You believe that?
Believe what?
I be
Let me
fucking
get
with
my
it.
Hennessy,
Oh,
please.
you're not gonna tell them her name? I know that's right, Maggie. That's a real friend.
You hear me? Goddamn.
Yeah, I be having to pace myself. See, I get that.
Maggie, I just
I be
told
all
you
over
the
the
other day
place.
I'm homeless with 10 kids.
I almost got. How you charge your phone?
Hi, what?
Charge your phone. Get your hair down.
My hair done. My hair do not be done, and when it do be done, that's because Bonnie be doing it for me. And I charge my phone at the bus station.
Bust it. We bust it. Can
The
you help me out?
the
How you
Heartline.
can you help me out? No.
Hey,
Y'all,
friend.
Maggie need everybody
See
to
you
send her
later.
$2. That's it. She just needs
Can
y'all each to send her $2. I got you, Maggie. It's
You're welcome.
106 of y'all on here. Them $2 to
You a
get
chef?
her to
you
her
think
I
her
see
target.
my sister's chef, so I already know the shirts.
Bella, because you
Yes,
just trying to
sir.
pay bingo. How you gonna pay bingo with no money?
Yeah, I might have found a
Huh?
new man tonight. Let me get
I
home
just
to my man.
asked you, was you playing bingo? I never said I was playing bingo, Maggie. How I'm gonna play and I ain't got no money? I asked you for them $5 yesterday. I don't got no money, Maggie.
How you phone bill? We know you got an iPhone. That's from clear as hell. How you pay the iPhone bill?
Somebody
Not
else
that
pay it for
shit.
me. I'm on my baby daddy plan. Maggie, the comment said how many chicken wings you done ate.
Hi, how many send some money? I need 170. Huh? No, just fuck just like I know it's my damn business. Huh?
Maggie, these people not playing fair in these comments.
170.
They never
You
do.
said 170. Why your caption say 184?
Cause I track, I make some money.
Oh
I
shit.
track.
She done made $14. That's right. She need $170.
Shot time.
I know that's right. I got to do stay
Can you
over here.
try me, Mika?
Cheers, babe.
What you said, Maggie?
It's shot
Can you
time,
try
Mika.
What you said?
me?
It's shot time.
Huh? Can you buy me surprise me?
What,
Mika money?
what you want me to send, Maggie?
Huh?
Send what?
Whatever you can afford, whatever your heart desire.
You eating that chicken? I can't understand what she said, Bunny.
Whatever you can afford, whatever your heart desire.
You and Bonnie.
Uh,
You and Bonnie.
And people in the comments.
well, you want me to send it the Bunny thing?
Huh?
Well, you want me to send it the Bunny Cash Shop?
The cash about you is pinned down below.
Oh, okay. Straight me then. Hold
Huh?
on, Maggie. I'm driving right now. I'm finna pull over in a second.
You gonna pull up?
Maggie, if you was sucking the dick how you was eating that chicken off that bone, girl, I know he would have paid you.
Sucking it up.
Ah, Dylan not paid her. She was taking the man money. That's why he broke up with her. He said Maggie expensive.
No.
Mm-mm.
He said Maggie expensive.
Well,
And
she
That's
she
right.
owe
been
him some money for
That,
that head.
that's right,
No,
Maggie. You got some.
I prefer
Maggie got
him.
some go in the nine. You got some.
Him.
Maggie, you did your big one on that video, girl.
girl, she ain't do no big
You
one. She
gotta
giggled. That's
teach
girl.
me.
What?
What
She
video?
Come here. Can y'all send them please? 100 y'all please.
girl, you better, I sent you Apple Pay. You better and don't ask me nothing for like 4-5 months. You know I sent something every purple moon, bitch.
Well, send some for me on the purple moon.
I sit there for me and Dylan.
It's in the purple room.
Maggie,
Girl, it's a purple moon.
I'm broke. I just told you I'm homeless and I got
No,
10 kids.
it's in the purple moon.
You ain't never seen the purple
No,
moon? It come only every once in a
Look
while.
up.
That's why.
Look
ain't mine.
up. You see this dot in my car? That's the purple moon, Maggie, right
No,
there. You see that the stealing?
Maggie, they said when can they get a new video of you giving head? That's what the comment said, not me.
thanks. I need 150.
Maggie said she needed 150.
She need 150 for a video.
Thanks.
I need 170. I mean 150 now. What's my yeah, it's supposed to be out. I see it right here.
Maggie, you wiping your hands on your clothes?
I need one.
Maggie, you better be putting your hands on your clothes, girl. And
Maggie,
you
where
know
you get
where
that chicken from? Where you get that chicken from? Publix?
Hell no.
she ain't got no public Mika.
She went downstairs begging. That's what she did to that Chinese place that took that
She
food back
did.
the other day.
Well, Maggie, that chicken
I
was.
love
Maggie, where you got that chicken from?
honey. Oh,
The
It's
Chinese
undercooked. I
place?
need to look more crispy.
huh?
That place they came to
You,
deliver to her
you went
house.
and begged for it?
No, remember your sister sent me the 30.
Who sister?
Mika.
Mika's.
Um,
Oh, because
30 wings, Maggie.
Huh?
I called her. I said, Maggie been looking for you. She told my girl, hush. I already done talked to Maggie.
Maggie, how many wings you done sat over there and ate?
There's only 8 of them.
Girl, it's like you ate more than 8.
You told us it was 30 wings in there.
150.
I think I'm lost.
Oh, no crumbs left behind?
Oh, why is the car driving so fucking slow? I got food on the stove.
Yeah, that
Girl, no, you didn't drive to no liquor store for no girl.
150.
Well, I
But
told him to
Don't
watch
piss
it.
me off.
but honey, you went and got you a bottle again.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah.
Bitch, I'm about to go right here to get me a bottle.
I use my PTO for work tonight and tomorrow, so I'm just cooking, enjoying my time in the kitchen.